So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tanima. I hope you guys are doing well. So before proceeding further, make sure you're subscribed to my channel because I upload videos every week. As the title is mentioned, this video is gonna be about the products that I recently purchased from Amazon. It's basically an Amazon haul. So most of the products that I bought is skincare or hair care product, but other than that I got some stuff for my brother, for my home. I got some books. So yeah, without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So I'm gonna start with the skincare first. So the first thing that I got is obviously a cleanser. It's the Clean and Clear foaming face wash, oil free, and it won't clog pores. Okay, I have been using this face wash since my childhood. Like from the time I know that something called face wash existed, I have been using this one, and this works wonders for my skin. My skin used to be oily, and basically oily skin means pimples and acne. I mean, I faced pimples. I won't say that I didn't face. I faced pimple, but not that much. Like
in my whole lifetime, I guess. I don't know, I didn't count my pimples. I mean, who does?
But yeah, I got very less pimples just thanks to this product. The retail price of this is 120 rupees for 100 ml, but I got it for I guess 100 or 110. I don't remember, but yeah, something like that. So the next product that I got is a scrub. So this is the Lotus Herbals White Glow Oatmeal and Yogurt Skin Whitening Scrub. It gently exfoliates and brightens skin for a healthy glow. Okay, so I don't know about the whitening claim that it does, but it is surely a good exfoliator for your skin. It gently exfoliates your skin. It doesn't make your skin dry. Like it leaves a very moisturizing effect after you wash it off with water. So it is a good scrub that I'm using right now, but except the whitening claim that it does in its packaging. So it is 100 grams of product. It retails for 235 rupees, but I got it something around 170 or 160 rupees in Amazon. The next product that I'm going to show you guys is the Dabur Gulabari Rose Water. So this is again a product that I have been using from my childhood, like when my mom used to make that neem paste, no? So from that time I have been using this. Some days it happens like I don't want to do the whole skincare routine at night. So in those days I literally pat this gulab gel into my skin with a cotton ball, and the whole night it does its magic, and the next morning I wake up with a nice glow in my face. If you just don't want to put it all over your face with a cotton ball, you can just mix this rose water in any of your face packs or multani mitti. I generally use it with multani mitti. So yeah, you can use it like that. And guys, rose water, as we all know, it is very good for soothing your skin and healing it from inside. So yeah, I think that this is an irreplaceable product for me. So this product is a 250 ml product. It retails about 75 rupees, but I got it for 65 rupees. So the next product that I'm gonna show is micellar water. I mean, ever since I started doing makeup, this is my best friend when it comes to removing it. I also use coconut oil for removing my makeup, but other than that, it's very good for removing the eye makeup and the whole makeup. It gently cleanses your makeup without smudging it all over your face. Like
you look like a ghost when it happens, right? I know.
But this micellar water is completely worth it. It costs around 175 rupees for 125 ml. It's a very good micellar water. So the next thing is this one. It's the Kara Refreshing Wipes Neem and Tea Tree Oil. Since my skin is very oily, I always have the fear of getting an acne or pimple or any sort of breakout in my skin. So I always carry this one in my bag. I got 6 packets of it. It's a travel size packet, and each packet contains 10 wipes. I ordered 6 pieces of it. So it generally retails about 50 rupees per packet. but a 6 packet I got it for some like 230 or 240 rupees. So yeah, it's a good product. Okay, the next thing that I got is this one. This is the Biotique Bio Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner with Himalayan waters. This is one of my favorite toners that I have ever used. So this toner is such a good toner. It soothes your skin. Like after scrubbing your face, I just apply it on my face using a cotton ball. It feels so refreshing after you apply this toner, and it tightens your pores. Okay, so this retails for 175 rupees for 120 ml, but I got it for 126 or 127 rupees in Amazon. You can see I already used some amount because I love this product. Okay, I recommend people who don't want to invest their money in high-end toners, you can surely go for this toner. This is a bliss product for your skin. Okay, so the next product that I got is the Pond's Super Light Gel. I heard a very good review of this product. Since my skin is oily, so I literally think minimum of 10 times before buying a moisturizer. After hearing so nice reviews about it, I thought why not just give it a try. So I got this a week ago, and since then I'm using it in the daytime. It is a bliss for those oily skin people because it doesn't leave your skin oily. It gently moisturizes your skin from inside. Your skin just soaks it up all and nothing is remained on the outer layer of the skin. It contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, which is a very good elements when it comes to skincare. This is retailed 140 rupees for 73 grams of product. It costed the same for me. So this is a very nice product. Oily skin people or any type of skin people can just use this product once and give it a try. It's a very nice product. So the next thing that I bought is another moisturizer, and this is from Plum. This product is a bliss for my skin. Even when I took care of my skin like a baby, some breakouts used to come on my forehead areas, and even there is one here. I got this product again a week back, but then this product is so good for oily and acne prone skin. This product can be used by combination skin people, oily skin people and acne prone skin people. So I personally recommend this product since it's a very nice product, you guys. People who have acne prone skin, you can just give it a try to this. So the name of this product is Plum Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel. Even when it is said that it's a night gel, you can use it in the daytime also, but it works best when you apply it during the night time, because at the night time your skin requires most of the hydration. So this product costs about 575 rupees for 50 ml of product, but I got it in 390 rupees from Amazon. And I'll recommend this for oily or acne prone skin people. Since I am oily, I have been using it from past a week and it works wonders for my skin. So the next product that I got is again a skincare. So a sunblock. This is the Lotus Herbal Safe Sun 3-in-1 Matte Look Daily Sunblock. It's with SPF 40 UVB and it's for all skin type. So generally what happens when we apply a sunscreen on our face, it makes our skin so oily. When we go out, it kind of sweats and it makes our skin go oily. But this product is a really nice product because as it claims, it gives a matte look. I mean, it instantly soaks up in your skin. And it's a very good product for daily use. It retails about 395 rupees for 100 grams of product, but I got it for 290 rupees. The next thing is the Nivea Extra Whitening Body Lotion. Nivea has been my best friend again from my childhood, because I used to see my dad using the Nivea basic cream which comes in a blue colored packaging. Ever since then, I never saw any other cream to come in my house. From that time, I used to use this Nivea, and this is such a good product. It soaks up into your skin immediately and it doesn't give you an oily shine or it doesn't make you sweat. So it also comes with SPF 15 and 50% of vitamin C. You can use it in all skin types. So this is the first time that I'm getting the extra whitening cell repair one. I don't know about the whitening claim that it does. I have to use it and I'll surely let you know the results of the whitening claim. But Nivea as a brand is my personal favorite, guys. So yeah, if you're looking for a good moisturizer for your skin, you can go for this one. So this retails for 260 rupees for 200 ml. And pardon me guys, I forgot how much it costed for me in Amazon. I literally forgot that. So if you want to buy any of these products, I'm gonna link it down below, so you can just go and check it there. So the next thing that I got is the Nivea Protect and Care Underarm Roll-On with Nivea cream ingredients. So I always love to smell good. It gives 48 hours protection with 0% alcohol. So this retails about 185 rupees for 50 ml of product, and I got it for the same price in Amazon. So yeah, again I'll say that this product or any Nivea product does its job very well. The next thing that I got from Amazon is a Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick. This is the shade Nude Nuance. It's
The shade. Oh, and pardon me guys, I cannot just make you see it properly. Okay. Guys, why isn't it showing properly?
I don't think that it's gonna show you. It's the shade 657. It's Nude Nuance. So I'm gonna just, it's the same lipstick that I'm wearing right now. So yeah, I'm still gonna show a swatch to you people. So yeah, it's something like that. So yeah, it's something like that. So yeah, it's again a very good lipstick. It moisturizes my lips. In the same time, it gives a matte look. So yeah, it's my go-to lipstick from now. So this is... Okay, so this is the Organics Mantra Tea Tree 100% steam distilled essential oil. I got it 2 weeks back. And I have been using this oil with everything, literally everything. I had put some drops in my face wash and in my moisturizer. I had a problem of back acne recently, which left with so many scars on my back. So yeah, I have been using this tea tree oil in my face wash and my body wash, which I'm using right now. And it is a good product because I saw that my acne scars are vanishing day by day. So it is working. So the next thing that I got in the skincare thing is, I mean, you all know what is it. This is Dove Pink Rosa Beauty Bathing Bar. So when it comes to soaps, I always prefer Dove because my face skin is oily, okay, but my body skin type is very dry. So whenever I'm using any other soap other than Dove, it makes my skin go very dry and itchy kind of, which I don't like obviously. So yeah, when it comes to body washes or body soap bar, I prefer Dove. So yeah, I got 3 packets of it, like together it was a combo for 155 rupees. Yeah, so each one was of 100 grams product, and yeah, I got it for 150 rupees. So yeah, I'm going to start with my hair care products. So in the hair care section, the first thing that I got is a shampoo, obviously, and this is the Dove Nourishing Secrets Healthy Ritual for Strengthening Hair. So this shampoo is with oat milk and honey. And guys, trust me, the smell of it is just heavenly, okay?
When I put it on my hair, no, I feel like, can I eat some? It smells like butterscotch ice cream. Yeah, and that's my favorite flavored ice cream, by the way. But
this smells amazing, okay? This smells amazing. So yeah, and it does its job pretty well because, you know, I felt my hair to be more smooth and more fresh.
Like, your hair also smells like a butterscotch ice cream.
I mean, who doesn't want their hair to smell good, or who doesn't want themselves to smell good? So yeah, this is a good product, and it costed me 145 rupees for 180 ml of product. Yeah, it's the same. It costed me the same as the retail price. Okay, so the next thing is again one shampoo from Park Avenue. This is the Park Avenue Beer Shampoo. So this shampoo is for my brother. I mean, he never uses any other shampoo other than this.
I don't know, like it looks like a beer bottle.
Anywho, but he kind of loves this. He kind of loves this product. Okay, so yeah, so that's for my brother. This costed 155 rupees for 185 grams of product. So the next thing that I got is
L'Oreal serum. Okay.
So this is the L'Oreal Paris Smooth Intense Instant Smoothing Serum for unmanageable and dry hair. So yeah, L'Oreal hair care products are pretty good. I have been using this serum for a while now and it is a very good serum. Like I have used Streaks one and Live On, but I prefer the Streaks, and this L'Oreal which I'm using right now is more working on my hair. Like it makes my hair so smooth and so shiny that I feel like I just went to salon and I came back. So yeah, this is a very good product for people with dry and frizzy hair. So it is 100 ml of product and it retails for 250 rupees, but I got it for 230 or 240 rupees or something around that. So yeah, and again, this is a very good product. So we almost came to an end. Okay, so the next thing that I got is, this is the Wow Hair Vanish. It's a bikini zone and underarm body hair retardant for sensitive body areas with tender skin and coarse hair. Lighter, sparser hair in just few weeks. Hair-free results with regular use. No parabens and no minerals. I got this for the places that is mentioned here, that is bikini zone and underarm. I have been using it for past 1 or 2 days. So it's it's written that hair-free results with regular use. So I'm gonna use it for a bit longer period and then I'm gonna review it. But yeah. Okay, so that's all about my hair and skincare products. So the next product is a power bank. Okay, so this is a power bank that I got. It's the MI Power Bank 2i 20,000 mAh 18 watts fast charging power bank. This is retailed for 2,000 rupees and I got it for 1,500 only. So yeah, I'm gonna open it and show. So it comes in a packaging, guys, and I just lost the packaging. It arrived a week back. So yeah, this is the product. So since it's a 20,000 mAh battery, it's gonna last really long. Okay, so you get a cable, also get a cable with this. It's pretty small, but then yeah, it's gonna do its job. So yeah, that's about the power bank. So I didn't get it, okay? I didn't get it for myself. It's a gift from my like brother-in-law, my cousin sister's husband. He gifted me this. The next thing that I got is for my home. It's a Godrej Air room freshener. It's, just random things, because see, I love to smell good and I love to make my room smell good, okay? So that's the reason why like you'll find a numerous number of perfumes and room fresheners in my house. So the next thing that I got is a diary sort of thing, like it's a notebook. On this, okay, it has a bookmark. Let me just show you. Okay, this is the bookmark here. So this notebook is a gift from my brother. His birthday is coming soon.
So I asked him like, what would you like to get on your birthday from me? So he's like, Dee, you have a diary, no? I want one like that. So I was like, okay, you open Amazon and you can just search for it of your own. And he's like, Dee, this is looking so nice. You get me this one.
So yeah, it's a pretty good diary, and it costed me for around 149 rupees. So yeah, I'm gonna link it below. I forgot the name of the diary. So yeah, I'm gonna link it below. If you want, you can buy it from there. Okay, so the next thing that I got is a bit of detox things for me, because I love reading. Okay, so the first book that I got is The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari by Robin Sharma. It retails for about 225 rupees, but I got it for 140 rupees only. The next book is Wuthering Heights. It's The Wuthering Heights by Emily Bront. It is like for $7 US, but I got it for 119 rupees.
Yeah, I know, I am lucky. Anywho,
So these two things arrived just today. So yeah, I love reading books. So yeah guys, that's all for today, and I hope you guys liked the video. If you did so, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon down there so that you get notified whenever I'm up with a new video. So yeah, that's all for today, and see you guys in the next video. So thanks for watching. Bye. Love you all.